Hi everyone! Fall is the time of year where we get limited edition after limited edition, and rather than making 8 individual little videos about limited editions, I decided to do one big, like, here are some limited editions we launched recently video for you. So I'll be going through these things relatively quickly. Everything in this video is limited edition, meaning once we sell out, we won't get any more. Probably every once in a while we beg and they take pity on us and it actually works out. But for the most part, probably once it sells out, it's going to be gone. I'm going to start with the Soft Ring 10-year anniversary metallics. I absolutely love the Soft Ring. It has a really cool, the lining in the Soft Ring also has these dots, so you can totally use this how you'd use a grid notebook as well. I think that's really cool. So of course the main feature are the super soft rings, so even if you're left-handed and you have to lay your wrist on them, pretty much can't feel it. Doesn't hurt. It's really awesome. Yeah, I can't say enough good things about the Soft Ring. So these 10th anniversary limited edition comes in pink gold. These are all A5, by the way. Silver, black metallic, gold, and bronze. So these will be available for a while. I'm excited about them. I hope you are too, especially if you already love the Soft Ring. Another one that kind of, I think, goes really nicely with it is the latest limited edition Fortia EF. So this is a mini pin. It comes pre-filled with a 0.5 ballpoint refill, but you can use the JSB refills in here, the Zebra JSB refills, which means you can totally turn it into a gel pen if you like. I think this brown metallic color is stunning. They called this like the fruits series, but it's like fruits and desserts because they've got caramel, mint, apple red, peach pink, grape, and then this one is cocoa. I think it's just absolutely, this just is the prettiest shade of brown. It's like a brown black or something. It's just really pretty. Anyway, so that's the latest Fortia EF. We have Minions Uniball RE erasable 3-color pens. They look like this, just kind of a random limited edition. So if you like Minions and you like the friction style erasable pens, this is the one Uniball makes. They have the standard red, blue, and black in them, and they are refillable. Okay, what next? Why don't we talk about the Disney Acro Ball? So the Acro Ball is a lot like the Jetstream, really smooth. And we have Aladdin and Jasmine, Ariel, Mickey and Minnie, and the Genie here. 0.5, but you could refill it with a different tip size or color if you wanted. Just really pretty Acro Ball for fun. We have some limited edition mild liners. So this is Pom Pom Puddin, Hello Kitty set, and Gudetama, egg yolk butt, I guess you would call him. And we are actually getting some Doraemon limited edition mild liners later this fall, if you know Doraemon, and I got another character and I'm blanking on what it is. We're gonna get some Doraemon mild liners and Sarasa clips. So I'm excited about that because I personally love Doraemon. We've already sold out of one of the variants of these. So if you're like, oh my God, I missed the Winnie the Pooh one, then you should have followed me on Instagram because I totally posted it on there first. But anyway, these are limited edition Jetstream 4+1 in Mickey, Donald, and Minnie. And these barrel colors are this really pretty pastel, like eggshell blue and like pastel blush baby pink. I think it's totally gorgeous. Yeah, so this is kind of a special Jetstream 4+1. They usually do a Disney one leading up to Christmas because it makes a nice gift. this is totally random, but this is the Adidas Kurutoga collaboration. So they have a couple that are like camo. It's pixelated camo is what it is. Looks very video game-ish. This blue-gray colored triangle like pattern is really pretty neat. And then these, if you look closely, these look like soccer nets. So if you know somebody who likes soccer and mechanical pencils, maybe some high school kids, these are kind of cool. So those are the Adidas Kurutoga collaboration. And then another one I wanted to point out is the Smazda. Let's see if I can tell how you're actually supposed to pronounce Smazda. I don't see it on here. Let's see. Oh yeah. No, Little Stun Star. I don't see Smazda in the katakana on here anyway, but maybe I just, oh, no. I don't know. So anyway, I'm just gonna call it Smazda, but this is a really cool pen case that turns into a pen cup because it's magnetic here and here. So then it attaches together, stays down, and you can basically go from having a pen case in your bag to a pen cup on your desk. And it's so cute. Look how cute this little Twin Stars pattern is. Very nice canvas. So anyway, and you could, I suppose, put some lead or erasers or something there if you wanted. Holds quite a few pens in it, really. And it's really nice with that strong magnet. So that is kind of a limited edition pen case we have right now of little Twin Stars. It's so cute. I love it. All right, so I might do these from time to time, especially, you know, like I said, leading up to Christmas, we get lots of limited edition stuff. If you have any questions, let me know. Make sure to follow us on Instagram if you like limited editions, because you're always going to hear about it there first, at Tokyo Pen Girl. I will link our Instagram below, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Bye-bye.